All of these packages are designed to offer flexibility for our customers, depending on their needs and of course the use of the 10-key coding system. There's been a lot of interest from our clients regarding what type of service packages does Qlayers offer. It's important to remember that every system is sold with a service level agreement and additionally a 12-month warranty. These can also be combined with various spare parts packages. So let me explain something about the spare parts packages. The basic package is always delivered with every Q system. This package contains enough supplies to support you for 1 or 2 initial assignments. Additionally, Qlayers reserves sufficient supplies at Q base in order for call off within a defined period. The next package is a standard. This is the one that we recommend to most of our customers. A standard package has additional components which are predetermined for a standard use for a 1-year defined period. Here you receive a 10% discount upon your sales price. The last package, provided exclusively for our service providers. This package has additional sub-modules and also certifiable critical components. Here, you get a 20% discount. All of these packages are designed to offer flexibility for our customers, depending on their needs and of course the use of the 10-key coding system. So let me explain something about the Qlayers warranty. During normal operation, any component failure which results in the requirement for a service visit on site will typically be covered under warranty. Additionally, we are continuously monitoring the system performance and also the usage of components within the system, consumables and spare parts. This will allow us to make adjustments to the benefit of all, customer and ourselves, in spare parts packages.